Hey guys, you know what this tool is? That's a bolt fisher through frames for installing trailer hitches and any other reason you may need to. We got our holes drilled out here. Here's the third hole. This is our last hole that we got to go right here. I already got it drilled out. Fish this guy, the coil then, through our drilled hole. We're gonna go in there. Now I'm gonna reach over here to the opening of the frame. Go, I got it. Actually, it was probably easier for the back bolts. Now we take our bolt and we thread it onto our line. We guide it up through the frame. You can't pull too hard on this line or you can lose your bolt. And we are so dang close. There we go. There we go. We unthread our tool off and just start our threads real gingerly. All right, and there we go. Our nut is now started. The hardware works as a stopper, so we can put as much torque on it as we want. And that is installing hardware through a frame, guys.